Welcome back to Basic General Knowledge Voice podcast. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic that affects every living being, sexual reproduction.
Rachel, I've always found it incredible how nature designed such a complex system for creating life. Let's break this down for our listeners.
Oh, absolutely. And what's really interesting is that humans, like many other species, use sexual reproduction where two parents each contribute half of their genetic material.
That's right. Think of it like a recipe book. Each parent contributes half the pages to create a completely new cookbook. The sperm carries the father's genetic information, while the egg carries the mother's.
And when they meet, it's like magic happens. The sperm and egg cells merge during fertilization, creating a unique combination of 23 chromosome pairs.
Speaking of chromosomes, isn't it fascinating how just one tiny difference, minus the XY in males versus XX in females, can lead to such distinct developmental paths?
Yes. And what's even more interesting is how our bodies prepare for reproduction during puberty. The hormones, testosterone in males and estrogen in females, orchestrate these amazing changes.
And you know what's cool? The human body has this incredible sexual response cycle: excitement, plateau, orgasm, and resolution. It's like a beautifully choreographed dance.
That's a great analogy. And speaking of fascinating facts, the clitoris is the only organ in the human body whose sole purpose is pleasure. Nature's pretty amazing, right?
Oh, definitely. And let's not forget about the importance of sexual health and safety. Using protection like condoms helps prevent both unwanted pregnancy and STIs.
Absolutely crucial point. I think it's wonderful how we're becoming more open about discussing these topics. Understanding our bodies helps us make better decisions.
And that includes understanding that sexuality exists on a spectrum from heterosexual to homosexual to bisexual and everything in between.
Right, and gender identity is equally diverse. It's not just about biological sex, but how people identify themselves.
This has been such an enlightening discussion. There's so much more to cover about sexual health and reproduction.